Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and their intentions towards you for the month of March. And this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Scorpio, your person current feelings towards you. Your person current feelings towards you, Scorpio. Wow, good start. Perfect. Wow. So if you are in separation, because maybe you cut them off from your life, for some you are in no contact situation. For some, if you are in relationship with your person, this is on and off connection, could be like that. But your person thinking about to marry you, to want to take this relationship to next level, because the Hierophant with Ace of Cups and Six of Cups. So let me explain. Six of Cups. Your person feeling that you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and they are thinking about you a lot. Yeah. And they want to marry you. If you are in separation, they want to reconcile with you. And Ace of Cups is here. Definitely they have so much love for you. Their love towards you is overflowing here, because they're thinking 24/7, and they really want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. I think there is one person in this connection is working through their logical mind. I think your person maybe have these emotions, these feelings towards you, but not expressing. Maybe right now your person may be talking to you through their logical mind. They are not showing these emotions to you for some, but they have so much love for you. They're really thinking about you a lot, and they really want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah. Maybe for some you cut them off, but they really want to reconcile with you. If you are in separation, if you are in no contact situation, your person really want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. They're thinking about how to fix the things between both of you, and how to take this relationship to next level, because Six of Cups with Ace of Cups, definitely they have so much love for you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see their intentions towards you, then we will get more clarity. I think intentions based on, depending upon your situation, they will take action in some cases. In some cases it depends. Okay, because everyone's situation is different from other, and this is general reading, not particular about one person. So let's see your person current intentions towards you. Scorpio, your person current intentions towards you for the month of March. Their current intentions towards you. Justice, yeah, they want to two-time justice. Maybe they want second chance with you. Maybe one person caught the other person in this connection. It could be you or your person, but your person thinking about second chances with you. Yeah, they want justice in this connection. They want second chance in this connection. Yeah, Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. They want second chances. They want second chance, Scorpio. And this is a very strong spiritual bond between both of you, because the High Priestess is here. I think this is a very spiritual connection between both of you. For some, you both could be soulmates also. And Seven of Pentacles, maybe they are waiting for you to come back, because Seven of Pentacles waiting mode. Maybe your person is waiting for the right time to approach you, because Ace of Cups with Seven of Pentacles, maybe they are waiting for your communication, but they will communicate. Definitely they will make move towards you, because Knight of Swords energy, they are rushing towards you to communicate with you. They want to clear the air between both of you. They want to fix the things. Knight of Swords energy. Yeah. Maybe for some, your person will wait for you to communicate. Maybe they are waiting for you. But if you are not making any move, then they will start making a move towards you. They will communicate. Definitely there is some communication is coming towards you. I think they really want marry you. They really want to take this relationship to next level. And again, there for some you person manifesting you, this is a very spiritual bond between both of you. Even though you are in separated, maybe no contact situation, there is some bond between both of you. Yeah, strong bond. And under the deck, justice. Yeah, they want second chances. So let's pull some cards from universe, the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Scorpio. Let's see the outcome. Six of Wands. Wow, again 6 of Cups. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. And yeah, 2 of Wands. You are on their mind 24/7. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. They're thinking about you a lot. And 6 of Wands with 6 of Cups, they have strong soulmate connection or past life connection with you, and they want to reconcile with you, and they really want to take this relationship to next level. And 6 of Wands, they want success in this connection. Yeah, they, if you are in separation, they want win you back again in their life. Very, very positive energy from your person's side. Scorpio. Maybe for some you stand by your power, and you want the best. Maybe some issues between both of you. Yeah, Emperor. Yeah, you stand by your power. Maybe for some you both have some ego problems. One person in this connection especially. Yeah, they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. There is some communication. And the Empress, it's you. You stand by your power. You are very grounded. You are very powerful, Scorpio. You are investing energy on yourself. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment is coming. For some, you are concentrating on yourself, on your growth, on your abundance, creating more money. Financial stability is coming. I think they are rushing towards you to communicate with you, but you stand by your power. Definitely they will come. They will make a move towards you. There is communication is coming. They are in rush. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Strong. I think you both could be soulmates. Strong soulmate connection here. Because 2 times 6 of Cups is here. But one thing you have to consider here, Knights and Emperor. I think your person will come in Knights energy. Maybe for some that could be the issue, because Knights always come and go. There is no constant energy. Maybe that will cause some insecurity in you. That's why maybe you cut off this person from your life. But they won't give up on you. Again, they're coming back with Knight of Swords energy. So it's up to you to accept or reject, but they're coming back for second chances. Scorpio. So let's see the messages. Your hard work is paying off, especially new moon in Capricorn. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. See, I already told you your financial abundance is coming. Definitely your hard work is paying off. So if you are working hard towards your goal, but you are not getting any result, but don't worry, your hard work is paying off. Definitely your hard work will pay off for you. And a win-win outcome is your forecast. Wow. Definitely you will get success in your hard work, through your hard work, and results are coming. And a win-win outcome is your forecast. Luck is on your side, Scorpio. Yeah, this is the time. Because your hard work is paying off, and a win-win outcome is your forecast, especially full moon in Libra. and show the world the real you. If you are hiding your emotions or not expressing your feelings, but the universe is saying express your emotions, show the world the real you. Don't wear mask, don't, especially don't hide your emotions. Show the real emotions to the real person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.